Okay, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a paracord keychain. Okay, we need 200 cm 4 mm thickness paracord, and we need keyring. Okay, it's about 3 cm in diameter. We need roller, scissors, and lighter. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm going to place this one here. Okay, okay, I'm going to measure about 15 cm long. Okay, 15. Okay, let's begin by making a loop. Okay, bring this down, loop. Okay, then this one here goes through here. Okay, see that? Here. Then, okay, tighten it. Okay, see? Okay, let's measure it one more time. Okay, 15 cm. I want to tighten it a bit. Okay, as you see here, this one is facing down, this cord is facing down, and this one is facing up. So I have to start on this right side cord. This one is facing up. Okay. Okay, put this on top. This one goes behind through here, then tighten it. Okay, I'm creating a twisted pattern or design. Okay, always start with the cord on your right side. Okay, place it on top. This one here goes behind, then here. Okay, tighten, then again. Okay, just continue until you finish it all the way here. Okay, so as my video is gonna be a raw video, I'm not going to edit it, so I will go upload as it is, so it's a bit longer. So yeah, but anyways, thank you guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please comment, like, and share. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, as we go through, you can see the twisted pattern of square knot. Okay, this is a square knot pattern but twisted. Okay, just tighten it. I like it tight. Actually, you can use, if you have the bracelet maker tools or jigs, you can use it, but for me I like doing it with just by my hand. With this design is nice also with a bracelet, using the smaller or thinner cord. 2 mm is the best for the bracelet. Or you can make a lanyard also. Okay, just continue. This color is, we call it army green color, or simply we call it camouflage green. Okay, just continue. We're almost done. As you can see, the twisted pattern is nice. It's beautiful. This I like to make it tight. Okay, I do one more time. Okay, one more time. Okay, we're here. It's done. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm going to cut this and melt it to secure. Yes, nice. Nice. Okay, just let it dry, cool down, then it's ready. Okay, it's done. So now, as you can see, this one I'm going to connect this here. Okay. There. Then this one. There you are. See that? Then we put our, it's actually nice for the car keys. So I put the key. I have this beautiful hook. So nice. Nice. It's a perfect gift, actually. You can give it to your friends. Okay, we're done, guys. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please comment, like, and share. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you so much. Take care and God bless everyone. Bye bye.